Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. eGovPH, how to delete your account on eGovPH. So now we're going to teach you how to delete your account on eGovPH. All we need to do is open up your eGovPH, and after opening up your eGovPH, press on account right here on the bottom right corner. After pressing on account right there, press on settings right here. After pressing on settings right there, click on account settings right here. And here at account settings right here, click on access and control. After pressing on access on control, here you are able to delete your account. So say delete your account. Would you mind telling us why you're leaving so we can approve reasons? So we just have put no reasons. And just trying out the app. And making a tutorial video. Then we're going to check. Now after doing that, we just enter our pin right here. There you go. There you go, and it's gonna enter a one-time password will be sent to our number. Oopsie, we got our internet connection right here. So we just lost our internet connection. Just lag a bit. So we're just gonna fix it. I'll be back, guys. So now we're just gonna enter the time password right here. 843197. There you go. Oopsie. I know it's that. Wait, let me try it again. 843196. Oh, there you go. There you go. As you can see right now, account deleted. You have successfully deleted your account. So now, there you go. There you go, guys. That's how you delete your eGovPH account. I hope you guys liked the video because you enjoyed. And if you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below, guys. And we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you, guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.